In addition to using the selection tools, you can also make selections based on object attributes, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this movie. So first and foremost, I'm going to zoom in once again on our little paintbrushes up here at the top, and I'm going to grab my selection tool and make a selection of one of these. And once I have one of those selected, I'm then going to go to the Select menu, and I'm going to choose Same. In the Same menu, I'm going to find several different options: Appearance, Appearance Attribute, Blending Mode, Fill and Stroke, Fill Color, Opacity, Stroke Color, Stroke Weight, Graphic Style, Symbol Instance, or Link Block Series. So if I wanted to select everything on the artboard that had the exact same color as this particular piece of artwork, I could select Fill Color. When I do that and I zoom out, I'll press Command or Control 0 on my keyboard to do that. You'll see that there are several objects selected on the artboard that are all filled with this neutral gray color. This is great if you have several objects that share the same color that you instantly want to change. So for instance, I could come over here and just click green, and everything that was gray now is green. You will see that some of them did not change. For instance, the apple did not change, and the heart down here did not change. Neither did the outline of the star or the paintbrushes up here. Why? That's because they're all using a different shade of gray than the rest of these objects were. You can undo this change by hitting Command or Control Z on your keyboard. I could also select an object like the star. I'm then going to go to the Select menu, Same, and go down and select Stroke Color. Nothing's going to happen there. That is because these two objects down here at the bottom have different appearances. This one has a fill and no stroke. This one has a fill and a stroke on the outside. Since it's a mixed bag, Illustrator doesn't know what to select, so it's very hard for it to do that. If you don't know the attributes that you're looking for, you can just select an object on the artboard and then come up here to the control panel and find this button to select similar objects on the artboard. It's going to go out and it's going to find things that it thinks are similar. In this case, it most likely based it off of the fill color that we have there. What if you have different types of objects on your artboard? Like, let's say, text objects. So I'll take this and I'll just type out my name, for instance. And I'll take that and just scale it up so you can see it. And then I'll copy that and I'll paste it a few times throughout the artboard. Let's say we had several different pieces of text. I can then select a piece of text, go to the Select menu, this time go down to Object, and I can say All Text Objects. And when I do that, all the text objects become active, and I can easily make changes to them. I could change color, I could change the font, I could also get rid of them by pressing the backspace or delete key. So the next time you're working with a lot of different objects, a lot of different shapes on your artboard, try out these select commands and see if it doesn't make it just a little bit easier to find exactly what you're looking for.